Hello friends, welcome to the channel. This is Top Educator. Today I am back with a new video, that is arithmetic progression exercise number 2. I am going to solve the NCERT solutions. So let's start. Exercise number 5.2. The first question. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term and the D as the common difference and an, that is nth term an and the nth term of the AP. Now here we need to solve out the left out spaces in the blanks. So the first question here, A, that is first term, is 7 and the common difference is 3 and the number of terms are 8 and we need to find out the nth term. So let's solve it. Here I have given the solution. As we know that the first term is 7 and the common difference is 3, we need to find out the nth term. The nth term of the series will be a plus n minus 1 into d, as we know the formula. So let's substitute all the values. A, that is 7, and n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, n is 8, and d, that is common difference, is 3. By substitution we will get 7 plus 8 minus 1, that is 7, 7 into 3, 21, 7 plus 21, that is 28. That is nth term of an AP is 28. Now as you can see, the second question, first term is minus 18 and the common difference is not given. We know the number of terms are 10 and nth term of an AP is 0. So let's solve it. As we know that the first term is minus 18 and the nth term of this AP series is 0. Now number of terms are 10, so we need to find out the common difference. So friends, as we know that the formula for common nth term of an AP is a plus n minus 1 into d. So as we know that an is 0 and a is minus 18 and n is 10. By substitution, that we will get as minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 into d. Now minus 18 plus 9d, that will be equal to plus 9d, that will be equal to 0. Now transposing the minus 18 to this side, we will get as 18. 18 is equal to 9d. Now transpose 9 to that side, we will get it as d will be equal to 18 by 2, that is d will be equal to 18 by 9, that will be equal to 2. So hence the common difference we got as 2. So let's solve the next question. Here the question, once we see the table, as we know that the first term is left out, third term is minus 3, number of terms are 18 and nth term, that is minus 5. So let's solve it. The common difference is minus 3 and the number of terms are 18 and the nth term of the series is minus 5. So we need to find the first term. Now we know that the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is minus 5. We need to find out the first term, and 18 minus 1, that is minus 1 into d, that is minus 3. By substitution we will get as minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 into minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to a minus 51 that is 17 into minus 3, that we will get as minus 51. So transposing minus 51 to that side, we will get it as minus 5 plus 51. Hence we will get the value of A, that is 46. Now we are gonna see the table. Here they have given the value of A, that is first term, that is minus 18.9, D, that is 2.5, N, number of terms we need to find out, and the AN, that is nth term, is 3.6. So let's solve it. As we know that the first term is minus 18.9, common difference is 2.5, nth term of the series is 3.6, and number of terms we need to find out. We know that nth term of AP, that is formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substituting the values, we will get as 3.6 is equal to minus 18.9 plus, we don't know the number of terms, so we will kept it as N minus 1 into 2.5. So transposing minus 18.9 to that side, we will get it as 3.6 plus 18.9, that is 22.5. Now 9 minus 1 into 2.5, that is, now if we transpose 2.5 to that side, we will get it as 9 minus 1 is equal to 22.5 by 2.5. Now 22.5 by 2.5, if we will divide it, we will get it as 9. Now N value, we will get it as 10. So let's solve out the next question. The fifth question is, here they have given the first term, that is 3.5, D, common difference is 0, and N, that is 105. Number of terms are 105. Now AN we need to find out. As we know that the first term is 3.5, common difference is 0, number of terms are 105. Now we know that the formula is A plus N minus 1 into D, that is A 3.5, number of terms are 105, and D, that is 0. If we subtract 105 minus 1, that is 104, the common difference is 0, then we will get it as 0. Then left out is first term, that is 3.5. Here we can observe that there is a common difference, that is 0, so all terms will also be 3.5 itself. So we have found the table and completed the table. So thank you friends, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new notifications of new videos, and please share my video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.